I heard we got a green signal eastbound for the green light going east, so when he gets free. Now we got a green light, alright. So let's get a tank train a honk. This is muddy. Wait for the Daners. I hear it. Wait for it. And there go the gates. There go the gates. He was bucking, Jack. That train was boogieing, Jack. BNSF, alright. Ethanol cars. He was flying. That ethanol train was flying, Jack. He was going fast. How awesome was that with our BNSF leading a Dash 9 locomotive, leading an ethanol train, leading empty ethanol. Can you believe I seen an ethanol train? I saw that first time in Macon ethanol today, not very much ago. Symbol that train was BNSF ES44DC leading a Dash 9-44CW. That train here originates at Fort Worth, Texas. Heads east going on Marion, South Dakota. But first, train might stop at Callao, Missouri to take a rest on his way east. Going to Marion, South Dakota, train goes by Chicago first, and on its way to Wisconsin to Minneapolis. After Minneapolis, to get on its way to South Dakota at Marion. I'm out of breath. On this Wednesday, January 31st, the last day, 2024, by Tyler McCully, Wide World of Trains and Etholnal Trains on YouTubeland. You get a comment section with our Etholnal train, give YouTube a like at Eastbound, Macon. I appreciate from Wide World of Trains. I'm at the ethanol plant. I'm 10 miles here through Callao, so, well, my name is Tyler McCully. You enjoyed the video, so have a good day.